As a business owner, rostering is critical to my store operations because labour is the second biggest cost in our business, so we have to get it right. My name's Daniel. I'm a local franchisee here for Domino's Pizza at Strathpine. The biggest problem that Tanda solves for us is speed. It's the speed of being able to do a very accurate roster and to benchmark not one but different days in across your roster. So getting that labour component right is just critical in being able to maintain your cash flow. We're moving away from classic rosters into the current rostering platform because it's going to enable future development. You're always going to miss the little things that you didn't have, but normally the extra features far outweigh them, and it seems to be the case in this situation. I did have some adjustment getting used to the new rosters after classic rosters, but most of the frustrations that I had initially were worked through very quickly, and now they're not an issue anymore. It did take some discipline to stick through it and work towards flicking between different views. The new rosters has a couple of features that the old rosters didn't have. So it's like a good example of something that you didn't know you didn't have. The main thing I did to help overcome moving from classic to the new rosters is just persistence and finding out where everything is. And when it first happened, it wasn't all there, but now it's all there. And now it takes about the same amount of time to build with the new rosters as it used to with the classic rosters. Just try it for a week's worth of rosters. They're features that the old one didn't have that are really handy, so I wouldn't choose to go back to classic.